Well, hello. Still tinkering with the Ningi Nugget. It's not quite burning enough fuel. Sometimes I think it's just better to go electric. Speaking of electric, recently, well just the other day, my brother-in-law invited me to an open day at a certified Tesla repairer here in Brisbane. There's only one in Brisbane. And it was a great opportunity to get a behind-the-scenes look or an insight and an understanding of how the cars are made and the process that go into fixing them. So I threw together this quick little video just so you too can have a look at the level of professionalism and the builds and what goes into the cars and the repair of the cars. Check it out. Now, I'm going to go back this way. Here we have the handover area, and it is here that the tour begins. With all guests present, we had a quick briefing from the owner and his foreman before we headed off inside to explore the wondrous expanse of the factory. Superb facilities, super organised and super clean. So as you can see, they do more than just Tesla repairs, but Tesla is their majority of work. From the open day, there are a few key points that I can take away from it and pass on to you, the viewer. One of them being that the staff here are constantly in a state of update or flux to try and keep up with the technologies based around electric vehicles. Another interesting fact is that the Teslas for Australia, the more recent Teslas, are actually manufactured or put together in China, whereas older versions of Teslas, like the Model S, were assembled in America. Previously, Tesla used to order in complete whole sides of cars if they'd been in an accident, so you'd have to replace literally massive portions of the vehicle. But they are now opening their minds to the techniques that panel beaters currently use, and they're working with the panel beaters to develop more traditional methods of dealing with and fixing the Teslas. So that's pretty interesting, and it's a major cost saving and time saving transition. Fuck! Oh, sorry. I love repairing cars, it's so much fun. Hope you enjoyed that. It's just a really short video, but it shows you the level of professionalism, as I said, and the care that they're going to take in looking after your treasured electric vehicle. Thanks to James, my brother-in-law. It was actually a pretty fun day and a lot of information that, and a lot of good stuff that I did not expect or understand previously. Anyway, stick around. We'll got more videos coming. Keep hitting it. Nearly hit my finger.